Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. So my beautiful people, if you're here, you like what you see, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification. My people, yesterday Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, the IPOB leader, yes, the Biafran leader, my people, and he has been taken to court and was arraigned, my people. So Biafran youths now from the River State don't come out talk say that they demand for immediate release for IPOB leader, that they demand for immediate release for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They say no be like the first time when they take arrest my beautiful people. Say this time around there he has people behind him, as in this time around it did different like the last one, and this one a very good thing because this that thing where we need right now, as in let people come out and protest. After all, the voice of the people, it gets power. Now democratic country we believe say will take the insight. This zoo day like this, my people, democracy is supposed to take a place. Now freedom, after all, referendum supposed to happen, my people. You are supposed to be able to judge and choose for yourself where you belong to or where you want to go, and not be by force now, my people. Anyways, my beautiful people, I go live with Namokuna watch him, and of course, if you dare never subscribe, please do what to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. I'll see you in my next video. As of now, I'm out. Freedom.
Biafra. There we are. Here we are. Over secret of the way they come. Oh my God. Oh my God. What is happening here? What are we not saying? Biafra. This is state of Biafra. This is state of Biafra. Igweoch. Igweoch. All these boys now have the respect. They want this Nigerian flag. They watch this flag now. You ever get by now? I'm not the noise. Oh boy. Don't be small thing. Oh boy, c'est crowd, man. Nigeria flag, the one bring them down. This is Biafra land. Come on, carry everything. Carry everything down. Yes. This is Biafra land. Where's our side? Yes, Biafra will go. Biafra, here we are. And Igweoch, come on, declare the state of Biafra. Declare the state of Biafra. See me online now, man. So you got a book flag? Who's gonna do? You got a book the Nigerian flag? For buhari to tamper Nnamdi Kanu, he is finished. For buhari to tamper with Nnamdi Kanu, he is finished. Yeah, he's supposed. Declare this war. We are there. We are going there. Oh, buhari must obey Biafra. Just say one. Oh, but see, guys, see, man, this is something terrible. I never seen this before. For buhari to tamper with Nnamdi Kanu, he's finished. Oh, but see. Kalo. Awa Hausa.
Okora Hausa.
Awa Hausa. So good or what? So. Where the from?
We are Biafrans. Biafrans to the core.
With the destination. You hear you the fight.
The day when they go declare the sovereign state of Biafra, eh? Mission, it's on mission.
We are dancing just to console ourselves. We are dancing here to console ourselves. We are not happy. We are angry. Look at our youth. Look at our people being killed. You know these things. Boris Johnson, you should listen to us. If you want gas and oil, we leave you free. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. Give us our freedom. Give us our freedom. Personally, look at me. If you give me Biafra, within 2 weeks, I leave this country. You can't see me here. I want to go back to my country.
Why 2 weeks?
I want to go back to my country. Everybody wants to go home. We are just managing here. This is not our country. We are not here. Now, you hear what we are saying. You have barricaded your door because of Biafra. If it is any other country, you will come back. You will come and ask them what is happening. Because it is Biafra. When you see this flag, you become afraid. What have we done to you? When you hear Biafra,
No, this is fine.
you are saying Biafra.
But just say,
You are already upset. Why did you hate us like this? Why is the hatred? If you see this flag, you become uncomfortable. You laugh everywhere. You barricade everywhere. Why is all this hatred? Why do you hate us like this? What have we done to you guys? British government, leave us alone. Leave us alone. Your High Commissioner in Nigeria, Katrina Line, is going from one state to another, having bribe, having all the money, sanctioning them to be killing our people. Leave us alone. America has told you people to leave us alone.
America said leave us alone. Listen to America. Leave us alone. Listen.